So this video talks about how long is 8.7 hours in the form of hours minutes, such as 2 hours, 15 minutes. That's the format you want to put it in hours and minutes. So 8.7 hours, how long is that? Well, obviously 8.7 hours has 8 hours and then some minutes, which means we really have 8 hours plus 0.7 of an hour. So we need to figure out how much is 0.7 of an hour, right? It's not a full hour. So we need to convert 0.7 into minutes. Take a moment and try to do that. Ask yourself then, should the number of minutes be more or less than 0.7? Definitely going to be helpful to remember that there is 60 minutes in 1 hour. That should hopefully help illustrate then that 0.7 hours means that I should have more minutes because there's more minutes than there are hours. So the question is, do I want to multiply by 60 or divide by 60? We can also think of it using our unit cancellation. In order for me to cancel hours then, the question is, do I put hours on the top or on the bottom? I have to put hours on the bottom. That makes minutes on the top, which means I have 60 minutes over 1 hour. Probably helpful to remember that 0.7 hours, when you write this, is really over 1. Any rational number can be written as a fraction. When I don't have a fraction written, then it's implied that it's over 1. So notice then hours on top, that's why I have to have hours on the bottom. That's how they cancel. This means then that we can clearly see here 0.7 times 60 minutes gives me 8 hours and 42 minutes. Double check, is that reasonable? Well, 0.7 is more than half of an hour. 30 minutes would be 0.5 of an hour. Since this is more, seems like my answer should be more than 30 minutes, which it is. So I think that seems reasonable.